how to change Instagram username font. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to put fancy fonts in your Instagram username. So if you go to your profile and tap on edit profile, there on the username option, when you type your name, you can see that it will have a really simple name. Go to Google Chrome and there type in lingojam.com. Now put in a normal text here and scroll down, and here you can see list of fancy fonts that you can choose from. So I'm going to choose a very fancy font. I want this one, so I'll tap on it and then I'll select it and copy it and then go back to Instagram and then paste it here. So I'll tap on done and I'll tap on change name. Now I have fancy font username in my Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.